Hey YouTube world, Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm just at the Hard Rock Cafe, and I'm just leaving here and go try to find the falls. Find about 6 wobbly pops. We'll see if we can find the falls. This place is busy. Busy. January 31st. Niagara Falls. Anyways, this chick just went into the souvenir shop. $50 cheap shirts. $75 nice looking colored shirts. $50. 50. Probably more for that. That's about it, colored one. Can't spot it now, but there's a colored one on for $75. No thanks. Okay, let's go try to find the falls. They're just eyeing me up like they look like they're nervous, so I decided to get out of there.
You've taken all our money.
Whoa, I thought they were talking to me. Excuse me, sir. Come back inside. I have got to set this phone down for a second. There. That's the first time I've done that. Paused it. Did up my jacket. 2 winter coats on. I'm in Niagara Falls. I'm about to go freaking check out the falls, I guess. Hey, Louise. Just coming from the Hard Rock Cafe. But yeah, look at the snow here. That's crazy. And these are all flower gardens. Yeah, I'd say that's deep snow. Oh. Oh my gosh, okay, so what am I seeing? Well, there's not much to freaking see. Okay. I can hear them. Oh, I can see the freaking steam. Look at that. The mist. Oh, wow. Yeah, you can see the falls. No way. And it's so cold out. Everything's frozen. Holy shit, you guys. You gotta see this. Okay, obviously they have the lights on for dramatic effect. It's very cold. But anyways, I have a lot of friends now around the world, a lot of subscribers around the world. A lot of places don't see snow and cold. Shout out to all my subscribers, all my friends in those off countries like the Philippines, Honduras, Mexico, India, Africa. Whoa. I hope this is visible. Oh my gosh, wow. To make sure I do this right, to make sure I record right, better make sure it's in night vision. I'll end this video now. So, this trip from Monthly Mission signing out, and I'm in Niagara Falls. Thanks for subscribing, everybody. Give the thumbs up if you like this. Thank you, guys.